Welcome back to the channel. This video is part of our cybersecurity series where I break down real security threats from the perspective of an ethical hacker. If you want more simple, practical online safety tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Today we're talking about one of the most common, but least understood, attack methods, credential stuffing. If you reuse your passwords across multiple websites, you'll want to pay close attention to this one. What it is. Credential stuffing happens when attackers take leaked username and password lists from previous data breaches, and then try those same login details on hundreds of other websites. On-screen example, a password leaked from an old gaming account, then used to break into banking, email, or social media accounts. If you reuse passwords, one small breach can quickly turn into many. 2. Why it works. This attack is so effective for a simple reason. Most people reuse the same easy-to-remember password everywhere. On-screen text, one password equals access to everything, and cyber criminals know it. 3. Signs to watch for. Here are the warning signs your credentials may be under attack. Unexpected login alerts from locations you don't recognize. Account lockouts even when you didn't try to log in. Password reset emails you never requested. These are early clues that someone is trying your stolen password across multiple sites. 4. How it harms you. Credential stuffing can lead to quick account takeovers, unauthorized purchases, access to your email or cloud accounts, full-blown identity theft. Once attackers get into one account, they often use it to break into others. 5. How to protect yourself and the good news. You can protect yourself with 3 simple habits. Use unique passwords for every account. Enable 2-factor authentication. Use a password manager so you don't have to remember everything. If you want to build stronger cybersecurity skills and learn how ethical hackers think, check out the trusted cybersecurity courses I've linked below. Whether you're protecting your personal accounts or starting a cybersecurity career, these courses are a great next step. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode in this cybersecurity series. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.